Ness-ana TV. Hello, welcome back to the class. How are you doing? Today we'll be learning fruits. Fruits. These are yummy fruits. Fruits. Can you say that? Fruits. All right, let's go. Banana. Banana. These my favorites. Banana. Can you repeat? Pineapple. Pineapple. Can you say that? Orange. Orange. Mango. Mango. Garden egg. Garden egg. Avocado pear. Avocado pear. Pawpaw. Pawpaw. Lime. Oh, this tastes sour. Lime. African star fruits. African star fruits. Very good, boys and girls. You've done a great job. All right, let's take it again. Banana. Pineapple. Orange. Mango. Garden egg. Avocado pear. Pawpaw. Lime. African star fruit. Very good, boys and girls. I hope you've learned the names of fruits. All right, see you next time. Bye. Ness-ana